Model 2019 Ford Transit front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi Euro 6 spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 80,695 MOT, the 21st of March 2024 engine, 1,996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 PSA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine has seized gearbox, drivetrain, transmission seem to be good condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £12,850. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.